Hi guys. So I told you guys I would show you what I'm putting in my homeschool bins. The video I posted yesterday, I was actually DIYing these bins. That's my dog Bentley. So I was putting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So here's an example of how I'm gonna set up my little homeschool. And like I said, this is the Monday bin. So I wanna do Mandarin Mondays since she's half Chinese. So she's gonna go through one set of flashcards over here in Mandarin. And then we're gonna do some leaf activities. So this is leaf identification card. She can look at the shapes, the colors, things like that. Then I have this bucket list up for the fall, but we'll probably get into it more in end of September to October. This is her little routine charts that she's been doing for the last like 6 months. She's been doing this for a while. And then here there's, different weather. I just made this little homeschool corner. I thought it was super, super cute. And here you go. So that's what I'm putting in my Monday bin. And so here's another thing is I want her to do this I See Fall booklet. So I'll read this one to her. And it's about colors and numbers. As you can see, I'm really feeling the fall theme, even though it's only September 4th, but I'm ready to jump into fall. So I laminated these sheets a while ago. So this is gonna be something that I'm gonna be using for the next few years. So let me go through this one and just show you what I have in it. So it's kind of hard to open this with one hand. So first of all, like I said, we're gonna do the leaf identification here, and then we're gonna do some Play-Doh mats. This is not leaf related, but obviously we have to get into the alphabet. So over here, I have these Play-Doh mats that I laminated, and they go until, just the whole alphabet, the whole 26 letters. So A until Z, or Z, however you pronounce it. So I'm gonna tell her, we're gonna do it together because she's just 26 months, she's only 2. So we're gonna use this Play-Doh and mold the letters around it to make the shape of A. And then we're gonna talk about these shapes a little bit here. We're not gonna do the exact activity on here, but I'm gonna use this as, just the foundation of the letter A. We're just gonna do A and B. They usually recommend, as far as I see, just to do like 1 letter a day. So we've kind of been working on A already, so we're gonna do A and B. Then I have these little fall puzzles over here that I just made tonight as well. So I'll just give you an example. So let's see how fast my puzzle making skills are over here. But they're just little laminated sheets here. This is a scarecrow. If I can't build this tiny puzzle, we're gonna have some problems. But anyway, so it's something like that. So there's about 5 puzzles in there, so you can see they're there. Then the next activity we're gonna do is, and then some of these are solo play and some of these are with me, obviously, but like the Play-Doh one, I think I could show her how to do it, and then she'll spend some time playing with the Play-Doh. Then here I have some, here I have some sheets. So I have these crayons that I put in the box as well. I peeled the paper off of them, and we're just gonna do the typical leaf rubbing. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. It's really hard to do this with one hand, but just the basic leaf rubbing here. That shows the leaf pattern, and we're gonna do some of that. Then the next activity I have in here is that I bought these little pumpkins. I started coloring that one just to show her what I mean. So I put some fall-y colors over here for that. And then that's what's in this bin at the moment. So that's some of the activities there for Monday. I'll put the bin here. Now this is going to be for her tomorrow. Like I said, I haven't filled those yet, but I'm planning to fill them soon. Then under here, I made, let's move this. I have to reset it up, but that's okay. See, it's very quick to set up. So here I made a fall sensory bin. So I put some pumpkins. I put some cinnamon sticks because today we were doing the fall cards and cinnamon, and she was smelling it, and we were playing with smells and stuff. Throughout the week, I want to get into another activity, which is it's kind of called Make Your Own Nature Perfume. So I'll be teaching her, different herbs from the garden, the basil, the mint, because we still have that in the garden right now, even though it's September 4th. So here are some acorns. The base is made of beans. So I put some beans. And again, you have to supervise because now she likes to put things in like her nose and ears. And well, not nose yet, but I've seen her put Play-Doh in her ears because she's trying to make it like her father's earplugs when he does construction work. So here are some pine cones, leaves, these cute little acorns from the dollar store. And then some of these leaves, pumpkins, pine cones, just get them from outside. These actually came with the pumpkins, but if they didn't come with the pumpkins, I would definitely not buy pine cones because I have so many in my garden. And then cinnamon sticks. So that's gonna be a sensory bin. And then I just like to set it up all cute like this. Boom, boom, boom. Just feels cute. It's probably not the best lighting in here right now, but that's okay. So as you can see, I'm going super extra with all of this and I'm really excited about it. Tomorrow's Labor Day, but it's Monday, so I figure we'll just start tomorrow. And I find this little homeschool corner just the cutest. Yay. And yeah, Bentley's over here. So I'll show you a little bit here what I like to do for my planning. Oh yeah, these are the other letters for the Play-Doh mats. I just took them out. I'm gonna go organize them now. But here's kind of what I have. So this is my week in a snapshot based on these different things that I'm doing. I should probably erase that, but anyway. So some leaf rubbing this week. Like I said, the nature's perfumes like cinnamon sticks, basil, mint, those types of things. And then we're gonna play a game called Enchanted Garden. So we're gonna play with the mushroom foraging identification cards and that kind of stuff. And then we're gonna make some shaved watermelon because it's all over Instagram right now. So the watermelon batons, they call them. But I just put some watermelon in the freezer and I want to see if that actually works out. Then we have some activities we're going to go to this week, some art programs and things like that. We're going to play Do Re Mi, we're going to play ABC, we're going to make some fruit and flower ice. So again, with some lilacs we have in the garden, some hydrangeas, and also with some mint and stuff, we'll make some flower and herb ice, I guess. So little ice cubes that we can play with. You guys saw also the animal rescue one I posted already. Then here we have, you know, a fall leaf harvest walk. For the leaf rubbing activity today, I just went and grabbed them all just now before I go to bed. So they're ready to go. But I would prefer if we just go on a nature walk and she harvests those things on her own. And then, you know, we have some bumblebee dress up and face paint and outdoor walks and stuff planned, swimming. And this is my more detailed one. So let me just open this up. I kind of try to hit a few different categories. So this is my little homeschool book. So here, you know, I want to do Mandarin Mondays, Turkish Tuesdays, and French Fridays. And I didn't fill out the rest of it. I only really filled out some of tomorrow because, you know what, she's 2 and this is all really extra, but makes me feel good, makes me happy. And then at least I feel like I'm doing something because I definitely can get lost in the world of, oh no, I'm cooking. Oh no, I'm doing laundry. Oh no, I have to, you know, walk the dog, go outside, clean everything. And I just get really overwhelmed easily. So if I write everything down then and make lists everywhere, then I know I can try to stay on top of it. And actually like go through certain things I want to teach her. For example, like we really need to get working on the alphabet. She already knows like her colors, her letters, things like that. I'd like to eventually get into the months and the weekdays and stuff like that. She knows her seasons kind of, like at least she understands them, but she might not be able to say them off the top of her head. Well, I haven't quizzed her on it, but anyway, this is just all for fun really. Like I do prefer the unschooling approach, which is just kind of live your life and do the things, but I also find this really fun and exciting for myself. So I'm gonna actually put some structure into it. Like I said, we're gonna do some Play-Doh mats with letters. So A, B, and then tomorrow we'll do A, B, C, D, and E. And that takes enough time because she'll wanna play with the Play-Doh and stuff. And I put a cute little yellow Play-Doh because it's fall-y and I'm trying to get everything. You know, most of this is for me. Obviously it's fun for her too, but can you see it? Oh yeah, this is my phone reflection. Those are my knuckles. But anyway, so that's my little setup for tomorrow. And that's the little sheet that I like to follow. Kind of a week in a snapshot. And then like I just fill more in. Like if I think of something like today, I thought of the leaf rubbing and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to do that this week as well. So I add that in and then whatever. So I just put these types of things in. So I'll see you guys later. And this is an example of what my Monday first day back to school / homeschool for my 2-year-old is gonna look like. And again, this is super extra, but it makes me happy. So let's see how it goes. I'll see you guys later. Bye.